Hello everyone, today I have the Motive 6S smartwatch by Riversong. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside of the box we get the smartwatch, a charging cable, and the user manual. Now let's take a look at the Riverside smartwatch. On the front it has a beautiful 1.69-inch HD touchscreen tempered glass display. On the back it has a magnetic charging connection, the heart rate sensor, speaker, and microphone. On the side, it has a power home button and another microphone. Charging it is effortless thanks to its magnetic connection. The cable just snaps onto the back. Setup is super easy. You can scan the barcode on the manual or the smartwatch to download the app and sync the watch to your phone. The Motive 6S is packed with features. It has over 50 training sport modes, tracks your daily activity, has a heart rate monitor, sleeping monitor, and blood oxygen monitor. It can tell you the weather, play music, check messages, receive and make calls, and it also has a voice assistant. The watch face can be customized on the smartwatch, and the app has over 200 watch faces you can choose from. You can literally have a new watch face every day. The Riversong app lets you dive deeper into even more features and settings. The Motive 6S is very well built while being light at the same time, thanks to its high quality materials and awesome design. It's waterproof IP68, making it perfect for sports and outdoor activities. Overall, the Riversong Motive 6S is an awesome smartwatch that is packed with features, so check it out, you'll be glad you did.